In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best fiber laser marking machines available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the fiber laser marking machines mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Hunst 50W Fiber Laser Marking Cutting Machine. The Hunst 50W Fiber Laser is perfect for DIY jewelry and metal cutting. It features a high-quality f-theta lens for optimal light transmittance and precision. Equipped with ESCAD2 software, it supports versatile design and marking. The advanced Raycus/Max laser source ensures deep engraving with superior accuracy. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime maintenance support, this machine offers reliability and efficiency for professional and hobbyist engraving needs. A great deal at 47% off. Number 4, Cloudray 30W Raycus Fiber Laser Marking Machine, ideal for precision marking on jewelry and metals. The Cloudray 30W Fiber Laser offers high-speed, accurate engraving. Customers can request a free sample test before purchase. It includes a 12-month warranty and 24-hour online tech support for peace of mind. With fast shipping from global warehouses, users can receive their machine quickly. Featuring a powerful Raycus laser source, this engraver delivers excellent results for fine detailing on various materials. Number 3, MR.CARVE C2 Precision Fiber Laser Marking Machine. The MR.CARVE C2 is a high-precision fiber laser engraver designed for custom engraving on various materials. Made with a high-strength aluminum alloy body, it ensures durability and stability. It features engraving accuracy up to 0.001 mm and speeds of up to 15,000 mm per second. Compatible with ESCAD2 and Lightburn software, it offers flexibility for professional and hobbyist users. Whether marking jewelry, metals, or plastics, this machine provides crisp, detailed engravings with superior efficiency. Number 2, Raycus Fiber Laser Engraver for Precise Marking. The Raycus Fiber Laser Engraver is designed for precision marking on metals and jewelry. Featuring a stable Taiwan power supply, it delivers reliable performance for long-term use. The high-quality Singapore lens ensures superior engraving accuracy. Equipped with ESCAD2 software, it supports a variety of engraving applications. With a Raycus laser source rated for over 110,000 hours, this machine guarantees longevity, making it an excellent investment for businesses and enthusiasts alike. Number 1, Raycus 30W Max Mini Fiber Laser Marking Machine, perfect for PVC, plastic, and stainless steel marking. The Raycus 30W Max Mini Fiber Laser delivers high precision with plus or minus 0.002 mm repeatability accuracy. It offers an adjustable working area of 110 by 110 mm or 150 by 150 mm. This compact yet powerful engraver supports versatile marking applications, including text, patterns, barcodes, and serial numbers. Backed by a 24-month warranty, it ensures reliability and long-lasting performance. Ideal for businesses and DIY projects, it's a budget-friendly choice for detailed laser marking.